The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a winter storm warning for snow, sleet, and freezing rain, which is in effect from 11 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Saturday. For Perry, Jackson, and Benton counties, the winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain will occur beginning tonight. Snow accumulation of 4 to 6 inches is expected. Ice accumulation of less than 1/10 of an inch will occur. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a winter storm warning for snow, which is in effect from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday. For Muskingum County, the winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches is expected. The period of most intense snow will be Saturday morning to early afternoon. Snow ending by late Saturday afternoon. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to snow-covered roads.
Now looking at